press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we have with us somebody who is not just jack of all trades, but she's also master of all. The very beautiful, the gorgeous Noura Fatehi. Thank you so much for being with us on the show.
Thank you.
So what is your take on how you have grown forward in the industry in the last 1 year?
Well, obviously I'm very grateful. It's not been an easy journey. The journey has just started actually. It's the beginning. There's so much to do. If I look at all the things I have done, whether it's a song, whether it's this role like in Batla House, or a music video like Pachtaoge with Vicky Kaushal, everything's been received so well with a lot of warmth and love and appreciation and a lot of positivity. It's almost like I feel the audience and the people and my fans are so encouraging, you know, and it makes me want to do more, and it really drives me and it builds my ambition. A lot of the things that have been happening right now, I would like to say, are just, you know, the beginning for me. I have so much to offer. I've got that hunger to do a lot more than this. My role in Batla House, although it was small, yes, it was very critical to the story, and it was received very well by the critics and the trade and the industry and even the audience. And when I did this role, I didn't think it would be possible. I thought maybe I might get some negativity, maybe people will not like me like this, and it's not easy for the audience to see you in different shades. You know, people want you to do one thing and that's it. But thankfully with me, that's not the case. People want to see me in different lights, doing different things, experimenting, and just, you know, not restricting myself as an artist. And nothing is better than having so much encouragement and love from the audience as an artist. That's what we thrive from.
And you know, talking about this new song Pepita, I mean, you know, we talk about this tongue twister called Papita, Papita, Papita. I think it's going to be replaced by Pepita, Pepita, Pepita.
Probably.
I hope that.
Whatever
and, you know,
floats your boat.
It got a very international vibe,
Yes.
and you know, the Caribbean flavor that you
Yes.
have with beach parties, and as you were talking about regarding, it can also be a very good number for house parties. So where did you get this idea from, and you know, how did this entire thing pan out?
Well, I have always wanted to produce and get myself involved in the creative aspect of my work, while, you know, still trying to solidify myself in the Indian cinema and in the Indian market. I do want to branch outside also, and I think there's nothing wrong with that. It's great to globalize yourself and to represent in different parts of the world. I feel I have the capability of doing this because of the different languages I do know, and the kind of exposure I've had to different cultures and environments. With Pepita, it's the second time I'm producing a music video. The first time I produced a music video was Arabic Dilbar, which was an Arabic adaptation of Dilbar. We sang in Moroccan. We had a bit of Arabic lyrics to it, but the melody and the composition was very Moroccan. But then when you see it visually, the music video was very Indian. So that for me was a cross-culture project that I was very, very excited about. I was looking forward to be able to do that. And that was my vision that I wanted out there. And it made the Arab fans and the Arab audience very happy to have representation in India, because Bollywood is considered the second biggest industry. The reach is huge. So to have that kind of representation was so big for them. And then for India to have a representation outside in the Arab world was also really, really cool. So, you know, making people happy and bringing people who are, you know, who represent different cultures together is the best part of being able to do what I do. And then when Pepita came to me, when Rayvani sent me the melody, Rayvani is the singer with me who is from East Africa. He's a Tanzanian artist and he's really big in Tanzania. He said, listen, I want to do something with you, here's the melody. And at first it was just a guitar melody, that da-na-na, da-na-na, da-na-na. So I was like, oh wow, okay, this is nice. So I thought, okay, if I'm gonna do this, this has to be something different. This has to open up another market for me. Arabic Dilbar opened up a Middle Eastern and North African market for me. It created a new fan following. The things that I do in India, whether it's Dilbar, Kamariya, Saki, Batla House, Bharat, Street Dancer now, that's opening up different doors for me in India. It's giving me more fan following in India. But this needs to be something different. This needs to open up a different door, give me new fan following. So when we thought about it, I was like, okay, this definitely needs to be an English song, so we need the lyrics to be in English. I got Raja Kumari, who's, you know, our little amazing Indian star who represents us in America also. She wrote for me the lyrics in English, and she's a fab lyricist. Then the beat, I sent it to my music maker in Morocco, who made it more international. He brought the Afro genre and the Latino genre, and he mixed it together to create what you hear right now. And Vani sang in English, but he also sang in a little bit of Swahili, so he made it very diverse and more cultural. If you look at the team, my entire team, you know, I have my director from Morocco, Abdelrafia. He directed the music video. He also directed Arabic Dilbar. Then I have my choreographer Rajat Dev, who's Indian, so you know, from India. Then his team, and then my hair and makeup team, who's actually from Argentina, living in India. Then you have you know, Ray Bani and his team, and they're from Africa. So everyone's just coming together to, you know, to make this project happen. But I was really very clear from the start. Pepeta, a Swahili word which means bounce, like bounce your body. Yeah. So this project has to be international. The vibe has to be very sassy, very confident, very I don't care, very urban, very street. That is exactly what I wanted to emulate in the music video in terms of performance and even the style of singing. The accent we sang in was very Caribbean, you know. So we wanted to give that twang to the singing that would, you know, give a different vibe to it, and it's different. I mean, I have to cater to different types of people. Like I have to cater to my Indian audience, I have to cater to my Arab audience, my North African audience, and they are also very well versed with the different styles of music. And Morocco being in Africa, you know, they would really appreciate a track like this because it's got that African flavor. And for me, I just feel like, why not bring new things to India also? You know, as a Canadian Moroccan, because I was born in Canada, in Toronto, I'm representing India outside. So there are people outside who probably never listened to Hindi music or never watched a Bollywood film, but because they know me, they want to hear the Hindi music and they want to watch Bollywood music, so, and movies. So I'm kind of, you know, representing India in that sense. But then at the same time in India, I'm representing Morocco and the Arab world when I bring, you know, a belly dance, like for example in Dilbar, or a fire dance in Saki, or an Arabic Dilbar sung in Arabic, and Indian audience also loving it and accepting it is very huge. So for me, it's really important that when I'm doing things, that I'm able to kind of globalize it in a way where everybody can enjoy it.
Yeah, beautiful. And lastly, before we wrap it up, we just want to talk about a little bit about Pachtaoge. It's been a huge hit. You know, your performance with Vicky Kaushal, it's been amazing. And you both have had a growth since 2018 together.
Yeah,
I mean, he has had that growth since Sanju, and you have also come forward together. So coming with him, collaborating with him, just tell us a little bit about the experience before we wrap up.
He's a lovely human being. We've had a great time. The experience was amazing. Just to be able to do something with such a celebrated actor like Vicky Kaushal, for me, it really enhances my growth in my career. And gives me a great positioning. If we speak about what I've learned, it was 2 days of shoot, but it was nice to see how he preps as an actor when he's doing something. And of course, you know, he noticed a couple of things about me, and it was really nice to work with someone like him. He's really cool, down to earth. Pachtaoge as a complete project for me is really good, and it came at a good timing because it made you see me in a different light. It's a performance-oriented song, you know, it's a story-driven song. So a lot of people are really happy to see me in that light, and I think for me, as long as I keep my work diverse, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, acting here, dancing here, singing here, it will drive me to my goal in the end, which is to be a versatile all-rounder artist and to leave my mark globally.
I think it's been a pleasure talking to you
Thank
so
you
far,
so
and
much.
I really hope that Pepita is a huge hit and all your future endeavors work out really well for you, and the success, you know, the success quotient that we talk about, that just keeps on rising for you further
hopefully.
on.
Thank you
Pleasure
so much.
talking to you.
Thank you
so
for
much.
having me.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Nora Fateh. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to IWM Buzz.